guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, I'm going to showcase the brand new version 2 from Burger Tuning as far as their jack pad goes. Now, their first version was great. This one is that much better. And I'm going to showcase that in a little demonstration as far as with a physical BMW jack. So what I have here, and I will do this so you can physically see. So I'm going to showcase this to show and tell you all the many new features on the jack pad itself, so that way your jacking points stay brand new like this and not damaged around the edges. This is a damaged one. That's not too bad, but it is still damaged from using an incorrect jack. And I'm going to show you mine here right now as far as what mine looks like. Now, mine was damaged prior to me obviously buying the car because the previous owner used the incorrect jack. Mine is even that much worse than the version I have here as far as for my demonstration. Now, just with anything else, Burger Tuning, they're always ahead of the game. The amazing customer satisfaction, the customer service, all those pieces rolled up to one, and great products will always make sure that they stand above from the rest. And I'm happy that I've always had the Burger Tuning products on my car for the last 4.5 years. I can't complain with nothing as far as what I have from them. And if you run into an issue, you have the great team to help you along the way. So just with anything else, this jack pad, $19, is an amazing bargain as far as so that way you protect your jacking points on your BMW and don't damage them. Just like with anything else, I'm going to post a link in the description box below. Go ahead and check that out, and then we'll be good to go. So let me show you more in depth as far as this product here, and we'll go over some nice features. All right, so just like what I mentioned, the Burger Tuning jack pad itself, this is the newer version, and that is not square rounded on the top, because if it was square rounded, it would not fit in the Z3 model. So Burger Tuning, with their second revision here, made sure that it worked with that model and it was not square rounded there. The new version also incorporates a new honeycomb grip here, so that way when your jack itself is pressing against that and trying to jack up, it's not gonna try to slide off. And this is CNC machined out of a solid block of billet aluminum. And when I say that this thing is a nice piece, I'm being very serious about that, because this thing is nothing flimsy, cheap, or anything about it. It is a great piece of work of art and is made right here in the United States. So when Burger Tuning wanted to make sure that they designed this one to be what it is today and to be able to work on the BMW models, right? All this testing here as far as taking the stock jack point that you find on your BMW and making sure that it fits fully in there, right? It fits, it's flat, so just like that, and because the last thing that we want to have happen is to have a damaged one, just as you see here. This is where, taking the testing and doing everything that needs to be, so that way you take what the stock BMW jack point is, just like this, and make a piece that fits it perfectly and that there's no issues whatsoever. This is when you have great R&D work, so that way you make a product that fits exactly how the stock BMW unit should fit in the jacking points on your BMW. This is very crucial when you're trying to make products, so that way it is compatible and you don't have any issues. I use these all the time now since mine are damaged, but like I said, that was from a previous owner that did that. You're going to take your jack and then your jacking pad, place it within, and then right there, that's how you're going to jack up the car itself. So get it all pushed up in there. And you can physically jack your car up, just like so, without damaging the jacking points on your BMW. When you're done, lower it back down, and then pop it right out. You have the honeycomb grip there, so that helps, and fits right in where it needs to be. Alright guys, well there you have it. version 2 from Burger Tuning jack pads, so that way you do not damage your jacking points on your BMW. You will continue to keep them looking brand new as you see here, and of course not to be damaged. Now mine on my car are even worse than what I just showed you here. So, that was from a previous owner that used the incorrect jack and did not use a jack pad. Now at only $19, the Burger Tuning jack pad is well worth the money based on the materials used and just the functionality and perfect fitment that you'll get. And of course, made in the USA, and it is built to last. Just like what I mentioned, description box below, so that way you can see the direct link, take you over to Burger Tuning's website, so you can make sure and pick yours up today, and to be sure that you jack up your BMW properly. Well everyone, thanks for stopping in. See you tomorrow, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Have a good one.